From time immemorial, Mr. Accident has been evil's advocate. He likes to play jokes on innocent humans, but sometimes his jokes just go too far. Fortunately, there is a mysterious group born from nature. From ancient times to the present day, they fight against accidents to defend all the good humans of the world. So, they are deeply loved by everybody. Each hero has their own special superpower. And of course, a unique character. But they all have one common goal. Yes, they are all Multi-One incredible heroes. Fight evil, protect humans. Your best partner. Multi-One, multifunction, one and only mission.